Hello guys, today I will show you why the car misfire all the time. To make sure the plug right here connector, unplug it and disconnect it and put that back again. Okay, that was the issue for spark plug misfire all the time. All right guys, so I just wanna tell you the right thing to fix the misfire problem. Now I don't have misfire anymore because when I know it, the connector right here not even tight. Okay, all you have to do is disconnect that and put that again. Okay, and that's how you fix the misfire for any car. And it's not for the spark plug problem. It's not for the wiring problem. That was the issue right here. It's a stupid connector. Remember that. I bought a new one. I don't put that back again because I would like to keep it. The new coil pack. So anyway, I put the old one again. It's still working. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like and comment down below. Thank you, bye.